because otherwise then that isn't chance, right? And like within this system, unless we are able to establish a system by creating, right, and then establishing a constant, we'll never be able to read this back. We need to drop more bombs, right?
Experiment at the Large Hadron Collider gives us an understanding of the structure of matter, gives us an understanding of how that matter can ultimately coalesce when you put Einstein's ideas together.
Yeah, aliens wipe us out. Look, I'm pretty sure that all the AI and everything would back us up, and then like from that, those aliens should look down on us and go, "Look what they built with our machines. It's beautiful."
Into stars and galaxies and into planets. That's all pretty good. But if you then said to me, but in that theory, you've made certain assumptions.
Yes.
You assume there's electrons, neutrinos. Yep. Why those particles and not others? And that really comes down to the question that Einstein really asked in a way, is there a unique universe that somehow is logically required to be, and any deviation from that universe would somehow be logically inconsistent? Einstein said, did God have any choice in creating the universe? Could God, therefore, in other words, have created the universe differently, or was God's choices fixed by some sort of master logic that we've yet to uncover?
Well, like, we take this equation back, The fact of the matter is we can make a tree grow, right? And like that does, obviously then, we can determine, well, God can decide to not let that tree grow. But like from that then, God will probably want to tear that tree down to give you a forest, right? So like we're not trying to philosophicate anything, right? We're not trying to put anything into philosophy, right? We're trying to put things into standard function and wish that we can accommodate. All right, God doesn't play dice with the universe. Well, the fact of the matter is that to express dice, right, like we gotta assume that we're not, right, rolling the same side dice with the same number, I guess.
I would love if we find that logic. We're nowhere near that. As of today, is it possible logically and mathematically that there would be a universe that has vastly different particles from the ones that we know about?
Yeah, like we don't have six-sided dice anymore. We got like the fucking 900s and shit. You gotta like roll the dice and like get in there with a motherfucking microscope and that.
But I think so. Is it possible that we could be in a universe where it was all Newton, no quantum mechanics? Is that a logically possible? I think it is.